the sky. I wonder as I sit and watch the clouds go rolling by. I think maybe these raindrops are the Lord's tears that have been collecting over many long years. Look at my life and the work that I have done. I know there is more I could do to please God's Son. His tears are the rain. Oh, the rain are His tears. They're starting to fall heavily, but we don't seem to care. The lightning is His anger, the thunder is His voice. We have to spread the love of Jesus. It's our only choice. Looks down at His children who have fully counted the cost. He sees us relaxing while many souls are becoming lost. His heart must hurt deeply, His heart full of pain. That's why I believe that His tears are the rain.